Welcome back. Today I'm going to make a short video to fix the mounting for the mirrors on the driver's door. Right now it just has a backing plate that is loose and it's kind of hard to hold on to when you're remounting the mirrors. I'm going to put some nutserts in there and I'm going to show you how I did it. So I'm going to take the old mirror off here, and like I said, that backing plate's just going to fall down in there and I'll retrieve that later. But for now, we're just going to put those nutserts in. I got them off of Amazon. It was like a kit with a bunch of random sizes, but in case you're wanting to do that for your vehicle, these bolts are a 5/16 by 18 was the pitch thread, I think. Yeah, 5/16 18. So if you need that sized for yours, in case you want to do that to your truck, that's the one you need. Yep, there it goes. So I've seen others where you take basically a contraption like this, a bolt that threads into here, and then a couple washers so this thing can spin, and then just a loose bolt, or a loose nut, sorry, in the middle of there. I've seen people do one where the bolt or that middle nut threads on here. I've tried it. It didn't really work for me. I like this better. And it's kind of hard to hold it on there with the two wrenches while you're doing this. So I'm just going to use an impact gun and then a wrench on that nut so that doesn't spin either. But I forgot I got to use the Dremel, and I got to make these holes just a little bit bigger because they won't fit in there like that. And if you've never seen a nutsert or a rivet nut or whatever, this part, the bottom part, gets pulled up and it mashes that down, so it pinches this metal between that top part and the part that gets smashed down. So it works pretty good. I've already done the driver's side, so, or no, I already did the passenger side. So we're gonna do that here real quick. Yeah, it's not much, just a tiny bit off. Just gonna put that thing in there. I'm gonna hold the wrench like that. Torque it down. Nope, not done. A little more. Right. There we go, all done. Now next project is going to be fill these old holes from the old mirror in. We're going to use the welder and try and do that up so we can get this looking a little bit nicer. Thanks for watching.